Hi everyone, welcome to LimaPay Tutorial. In this video we are going to discuss about the login and registration page. To access the registration page, if you are a first time user, you open your LimaPay app or website, then you click on get started. This will show you the registration page. So in this page you have to fill up your first name, the last name, username, email and your password. So let's fill up this for our demo video. Okay, so once you finish sign up, the system will redirect you to your admin dashboard. So this is the admin dashboard overview. All right, so how do you log in and log out of your account? To log out of your account, you just come to the right top here and click on this button. So this will log out your account and delete your session. So to go back to your admin dashboard, you do not need to go back to get started. You just click on create your first invoice. So this is the login page. You need to input your username and your password. If you forget your password, you can click on forgot password. Okay, so let's try to log in. So after successful authentication, the system will take you back to your admin dashboard. So here is the dashboard overview. As you can see, we have monthly revenue. So this will show you the total sales you incurred monthly. All right, so then we have here products. So this will tell you the total of products you have in your store. Okay, and here we have customers. So this will tell you the total number of customers you have and those who you just register in that following month. Okay, so for this product, the system will show you product in stock and product that is out of stocks. Okay, and this outstanding is calculated from January to December every year. So this will let you know how much is your outstanding, I mean your customer that haven't paid for their invoice. All right, so here we have the accounting information whereby you see your accounting graph, your sales. So because this is new account, so we do not have much information to display here. So and the monthly sales we tell you we show you the report of your sales based on monthly, your profit, your loss, and so on and so forth. So down here we have the activity log, which will tell you the activities that is currently going on your account. So then here we have to-do list, in which this will show you the setup, the settings that you need to do on your account. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to show you some of the basic setups you need to do before you can start creating your first invoice. All right, then as you can see on my screen, we have this section here. So this is called the sidebar. So all the buttons and menu are all here. So you can find anyone you want. You can just open it one by one and you access your link to do your whatever you want to do. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.